Follow me. Follow me.
Have you ever wondered how to make sound and speech inside an AI generated video? Well, Google has you covered, and I'm going to show you guys today. My name is JTechie, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So today I was looking at labs.google, and they have different experimental AI tools on this website, and their flagship tool that they have front and center here is called Flow. And with Flow you can generate AI videos with sound and speech. So let me go ahead and show you guys how it works. So after you log in with your Google account, you can create a new project. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new project here. And I'm going to make a new text to video. And so I think what would be interesting is, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say create a Spider-Man like hero web slinging through a city skyline from a first person GoPro style view. The hero will say, "This is so fun." And alright, let's see how this will do. So I'm going to go ahead and generate it, and of course it takes a few minutes for it to generate, and once it's done I will come back. So right now I'm going to pause the video until it is done. Okay, so here are the scenes that it has generated, which is kind of not really exactly perfect, but I'll go ahead and show you guys just to see, so you can see the current state of this application. So I'm going to play this one on the left.
This is so fun! This is so fun!
So as you can see, he is web slinging through the city, which is an exciting shot, but he mispronounces so and says "Sue fun," and some kind of weird being pops out of his body, kind of leaves him with two
This is so fun!
sets of legs, which is kind of strange, but yeah.
This is so fun!
Here's the other one, and here he doesn't really say anything. Instead of maybe like a web slinger, he has some kind of bungee cord thing. Like, at first he starts out with some kind of web connected to the bungee cord, but then he's pretty much swinging on a bungee cord, which I guess that's okay. I mean, I guess this is a lot more realistic than that last video, where a person would probably more realistically be attached to a bungee cord instead of a web. And I did say a Spider-Man like character, not exactly Sparkman himself. But, I mean, I guess I can accept this as a better one than the other one to the left. And, however, he omits the speech saying this is so fun. But, alright, so that is how that one did. And I'll also show you another one that I did earlier to kind of redeem this session. And because I don't know if these videos really aren't to satisfaction. Okay, so this one is a Pixar style baby deer in a lush forest approaching its mother, and the mother says, "Follow me." And let me go ahead and play these two, and so you guys can see what it looks like.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Okay, so there's not really any physical anomalies that I've seen, other than I probably wanted the lips to move, but I didn't specifically say that. But it sounded like it tried to say "follow me." The mother obviously looks like she's doing a gesture for the little one to follow her, which is within the context that I wanted, but it sounds more like "hello me" instead of "follow me," and it kind of looks like the little one is the one saying "hello me" instead of the mother saying "follow me."
Follow me.
But yeah, other than that, it looks pretty good. And now, this one.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Okay, this one is a lot better, and it's pretty much exactly what I said. It says "follow me" twice. In the beginning, the little deer looks like the little deer says "follow me," and which that's not what I wanted. But then the mother does say "follow me." She kind of sings it, which is okay. But other than that, it looks good.
Follow me. Follow me.
And let me try to add a scene to this. And I'm going to try to add something simple to see, how that works. So I'm going to see if I can add a scene here really quick, and just give me a moment. So I'm going to try to add the mother deer and baby deer starts running fast. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit the generate button, and it's going to start generating there. And so I'll pause the video and be right back after that's done generating. Okay, so it has finished generating, and let's see what it looks like. Let me go ahead and see if I can play it.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Okay, that looked nice.
Follow
It was a
me.
nice little, pretty much a flawless transition there to the next scene of when they start running together. They're not running as
Follow
fast
me.
as I would like them to run, but
Follow
I mean, they're
me.
still running, and I can't really complain. It did what I said, and it's like a high quality Pixar scene. But anyway,
Follow me.
this is what I wanted to show you
Follow
guys today
me.
is what Flow could do, and why don't you guys come and play with it for yourselves and see what kind of creative things you can get it to do and try to avoid the mistakes. Alright, and I also, like, what I did was I hit the extend to add a new scene in case you guys didn't really see that well. But anyway, that's all I have to show you guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and comment and like this video. And until next time, peace. This is Jay Techie.